The FRAMEO 21.5-inch digital photo frame offers a stunning display with its high resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, ensuring that your photos look vibrant and clear. Its user-friendly touchscreen interface makes navigating through your memories a breeze, allowing you to easily set up the frame and enjoy the images from any angle. With a generous built-in memory of 32 gigabytes, this frame can store up to 80,000 photos and supports additional storage with a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. The FRAMEO photo frame is versatile with features like customizable captions, weather updates, and adjustable settings including brightness and slideshow modes. Designed for any setting, it can be wall-mounted in 2 ways to fit your space, making it an excellent addition to homes, offices, and even for commercial displays. This digital photo frame is a thoughtful gift for loved ones, complete with a money-back guarantee and warranty, ensuring satisfaction and lasting enjoyment.